Friends, welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we disable our adaptive brightness in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to disable your adaptive brightness, so friends you can disable it. And friends, now let's see how to disable adaptive brightness in our Tecno phone. In this video, friends, I am going to show you, friends. So before starting video, friends, I'm going to tell you, if you need my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe the channel. So friends, now let's see how to disable adaptive brightness in our Tecno phone. Open your phone setting guys, and guys click on your phone brightness setting. Then guys you can see this type of setting. Guys you can see your adaptive brightness. Tap here guys, you want to disable, so guys you can disable. After disable guys, this brightness will not increase and decrease automatic guys. You can adjust yourself guys, your phone brightness guys, increase and decrease. You can set yourself in your Tecno phone device. So are you friends, you have understood how to disable adaptive brightness? So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. So thanks for watching guys. Bye friends.